IPSC popper. Minimum rounds 23. Gun condition, condition 3. First magazine and gun on top of the table. Competitor ready condition. Sir, as demonstrated. Still touching the chair. Both hands unlocked. Time start, audible signal. Procedure, sir. Upon signal, engage target within the well-demarcated firing zone. Any questions, sir? I will give you 5 minutes to review the course of fire.
Yo, it counts here in MCS. Okay, vlog. Okay. Review.
Sarong magasin lang.
Dua.
Pagpag magasin.
Ito eh. Di ba? Tatar. Ting. Side step. Anong masasabi nyo sa course, kuya? Anong masasabi nyo sa course? Uy. Okay. Para reload.
Nagpa-reload na.
That is your expectation versus reality.
Expectation versus reality.
Tapos Facebook.
Pang Facebook na, pang Facebook.
Pang profile. Nagpaspas. Naman.
O, sino sa marin naging kuya pa? Okay, make ready. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by.
Yun yan ah. What's happening?
If you're finished, unload and show clear. Clear, hammer down. Hold, sir. Raise clear time, 3720.
Mad.
Di ka lang tanong kung paano sarap. Clear ka?
No?
Down range lang tanong, clear ka?
Ay, sige.
Okay, gentlemen, good morning.
Morning.
Stage 4 consists of 13 boards, IPSC boards, 4 round play. Okay? Ready condition as seen on the picture for pistol, for PCC and MR. Okay, audible signal engage all targets. Questions? And start anyway.
Loaded.
Loaded. Pag walang sinabi, always loaded. Anywhere. Agree. Damo ron tripping. Marinyas ka na. Maria de Leon. Ito na dun sa ito.
Natin mga tayo mo di mapunta nga play ito ah. Tug.
Kaya yun ang kuya.
No. Clear the range.
through the range. Let's go.
Start from anywhere, Dad.
Okay, dito ng mga ka-istaw. Chill na, chill. Tapos mag-review. Okay na.
Dito na pala si
Nice.
So marunong. 4490. 4490. Good, load and make ready. Sir, are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by. Equipment and load. You clear. You clear. Hammer down. Hammer down. Hammer down. Holster. Then clear time. 3693. Two procedural. Fourth time. Nakapagkatiro.
Ay, bawal ka. We're done with our second stage. Now, exit na naman. Change way. Alis na yan. Oh, marami dyan. Sa iba tayo, sa iba.
Dapat the bodyguard mo.
Good morning, sirs. Welcome to stage 2. Stage 2 consists of 10 stick boards, 4 stick poppers. Minimum number of rounds required, 24. Gun condition, sir, loaded. Time start, audible. Starting position, standing on mark. Standing mark natin. Facing down range. Upon audible signal, engage on targets. Any questions, sir?
None.
Then, you may review, sir.
Alright, thank you.
2 days, 2 minutes.
Okay. Tapos na ang briefing. So now we're going to review the course of fire. Ay, mali. Alul. Ay, upa. Pati pa na dyan. Tudig.
Sigurado.
Tudig. 2, 4, 6, 7. Tudig. 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 Got it. Ngam na to yung starting position, sir. Okay lang na to.
Sige, sige.
Chug, chug. Chug, chug. Okay, okay. Clear the range.
Is he gonna shoot one handed?
Okay, it's our first of our club, Kuya Reynolds. Rocking the TS2 in green, sports green. is in standard.
Nagalang mas pa lang ran. Nangalam nga.
Yeah, may kita ito kami.
Online, Shopee.
Shopee.
511.
511.
Ah, 700 na. Alright. Nice run.
Yes sir, next shot na. Go see.
Next one, Boss Felix.
Clear the range.
Matt, kuya, anong masasabi mo sa run ni Kuya Reynold? Good?
Good.
Okay, good. Kuya, anong masasabi mo sa run mo, kuya? Good?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, napaka-good. Yung sa mga East-Towns, panay good yan, panay good. Okay. Maning dami. Masugi. Little error there. Motor. Something wrong. Nice one. Good run, good run.
Hey. 3697.
Next, Kuya Robert
Sir.
with his Springfield Prodigy Standard
15.
Optics.
15.
Mamaya na to.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Okay. Okay. PCC. Our Kuya Press, our club's president, rocking his Battle Arms Development, PCC. Dropped his mag, that's okay. He meant that. Okay.
Are you ready? Stand by.
No. Nice, nice. Nice run by our president, making it look easy. Napakadali. Nagpo-full auto.
Paspas na di imak si kamat ah.
Napakabilis ng kamay.
Sa balit pulso yun. Bultap yun.
Load and make ready. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by.
Yuk na lang.
You're finished. Unload and show clear. Clear. Hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Time. 3593.
Make up shot. How was it, Sherman? How was the performance there?
Congratulations, David Humber of
Very
Ilocos.
fast.
Was it good? Was it good? Okay.
Gumaling dari idol ko yun. May ganito man dayon yung sinay, pag kita man yung pagpag-practice am di ba?
Oo, mo.
Yung pagbulalwa man mo.
May katog silang law. Bing, bing.
Medium course. So, 2 rounds. 10 IPSC board, 1 meter round plate, and 1 popper. Note that the popper serve as the activator of the moving target.
Moving target.
Swinging. Condition 1.
Condition na.
Starting position, standing on mark. Upon audible signal, engage all target at the Any question?
None, sir.
Okay, if none, you can review the course of fire.
Starting position here.
Sir, pa-activate man. Activator, just stay. Visible dito kayo. Dito lang,
Ito yung champion standard.
Umuno na nga talaga tiyo.
Nga dua activator na.
Jibangir Jimesa, kemarin Jibangir.
Popper activates 2 swinging targets, 1 plate and 1 board. Starting position here. Ah? Da. Karkar ka mo?
Guard.
Okay, ito na yung mga stance. Nagkukumpol. Nagmi-meeting na.
Kanyang PCC, kalisto lang.
Kung paano ang gagawin.
Nagkakatakdram dama binanagpay.
First to show. This is the man of the day. Joaquin. Where's Tatasagi? Sa taas. May pa-lunch pa dito, pamaya? Wala? Ay, meron.
Verify dyan. Maray miss ko, basta na basta.
Ada ka no, pa-lunch na damdam mo? Ada ka no, pa-lunch.
Ada pa lang?
Kunan Joaquin.
Load, dami ready. Are you ready?
Ready, ha?
Stand by. You finish unload choke. Okay, hammer down, holster. Okay, fine.
1 mic.
6 Charlie, 2 Delta, 1 mic.
1 mic.
Magasin.
Where's the other mag? Was nice round, nice round.
Ako na yung nagkaroon din hindi na mapapitik sa PCC na. Ako may yung bolt na. May barrel bolt.
Yung gram ko ba?
Okay. Lunch break na, lunch break. Oh,
Yes, sir!
kain muna.
Garda, Sir Jay, Sir Charvin, Sir CJ,
Apat.
and Sir Robin. Mamaya na lang, after
Lima. After lunch.
Kain muna tayo mga sir.
Kain muna. Kain. Okay, dito pa rin kami sa stage 3. Katapos kumain. Busog na busog. Oh. Yan na yung mga RO.
Sir Fidel.
Dito na naman tayo sa stage 1.
Ay, bida nga talaga.
Katatapos lang mag-lunch.
Okay, good afternoon sir. Welcome to stage 1. Consisting of 4 F6. 4 F6 boards, 2 F6 plates, and 2 F6 poppers. Starting position sir. Audible. Upon audible signal, engage target within the demarcated firing zone. Any questions sir? If none, 3 minutes to review the course of fire. Happy and safe.
Alright. Masapol mo ito. Masapol mo pandit tama lang. Kadeta mo.
Kasi gamlangan.
Oo, kasi igam lang. Alam mo muna na ito yung tagtag. Pasangan. Tagtag. Tagtag. Ping. 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 6 8 1 magazine. Nag plus 1 kayo tama 1 magazine bareng. Basta di ka mali. Nandito na yung mga ka-East-Towns. Nagre-review na kung paano mananalo na naman ito. Pabilis na naman.
Tuladin kayo tulatang.
Dapat ayos na dito eh. Kuha, may ganra. May ayos. We're still waiting for our turn. Almost done na lahat. Konti na lang.
Barato. Load mic ready. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Come on. Finish the load so clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. To all part channel. All place down. Time, 16 for...
Woo!
Gusto dakil, boxit mo mali.
Kuya, anong masasabi mo sa performance natin, kuya? Okay naman?
Magaling!
Okay, thank you.
Magaling si Kuya Dred!
Okay.
Sir, thank you. Sir,
Sir, thank you, sir.
sir, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Tapos na naman ang mga East-Town sa isang bay, isang stage. Moving on to the next one.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Welcome to stage 6. This is a short course of fire. The targets are 5 boards with 1 penalty and 2 popper for a minimum of 12 rounds to stay. Shooter standing, heels touching on mark, facing downrange for those rifles. Always button hip, muzzle pointing to the left direction, option 1. Take note, gentlemen, that the popper, neither left or right, will activate the moving target. And that moving target is always visible at rest.
Visible at rest.
Okay? Question?
None, sir.
Okay, 1 minute review the course of fire.
Can activate.
Maminsan, kita nyo na po.
Di timing na, di timing na.
Sakto, yan. Go. Go, go, go. Go, go.
Pag-resto dito.
Ay, ito. Maya.
Visible at rest.
Ulo lang.
Ulo lang. Okay lang.
Ay, mabali mo tira nga.
Visible at rest. Ito na naman ang mga ka-East-Town. Meeting na naman. Kung paano.
Ha?
Minus 10 points.
Katinira na idi amin, why?
Dama.
Sir, mabali mo po ito ka nga kasi.
Only the port.
Through the port. Through the port.
Through the port.
Baka sakali lang mo. Baka makalusot. Bye!
Apa?
Are you ready? Bye. Range is clear. Time 1904. Are you ready? Bye. Race is clear. Time 1804. 1804. Scoring. So Alpha. Load and make ready.
Ang tablo. Tatakam tablo.
Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. Hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Time 1381. Scoring.
Alpha Charlie. Alright.
Alpha Charlie. 2 Alpha.
Running man. Alpha Charlie. Alright.
Alpha Charlie. Running man.
Alpha Charlie.
Vivo.
How was it?
You were so fast.
I got the running man. Alpha Charlie.
Kuha na lang.
I did 3 shots eh.
Oh, nice.
Solid.
Ano masasabi mo naman?
Nung masasabi mo sa run ko, boss, okay naman. Okay yung bala. Okay yung bala.
Tomorrow again.
Ito na. This is our second to the last stage. Ito na yung mga ka-East-Town, no? Ay ate, say hi to the vlog. Hello. Ito yung ate naming masungit. Oh, okay.
Okay, good afternoon shooters.
Nga pa.
Welcome to stage 7. Long course, minimum of 32 rounds. 32 rounds. Consisting of
Tama.
14 IPSC boards, 4 IPSC poppers, and 1 penalty target. Shooters start anywhere within the demarcated firing zone.
Anywhere.
Standing relax, facing down range, and upon audible signal, engage target. Any question? There's none. To you.
I'll start here. 9, 11, 12. Dapat sagay mapan-amin dito eh, no? 7. Mungkin na mo. Ay, dapat kami dyan eh. Maalam kami dyan.
Ay, dapat gaya mo dyan.
May araw din ah.
Ay, haan. Duwag. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by.
Bitain!
If you finish, unload and show clear. Muscle. Naka-safe. If over down, holster. Range clear time, 3894. 3894 is scoring. Alpha Charlie, 2 Alpha. Charlie Delta, 2 Alpha.
Ah!
1 mic shot.
1 mic.
1 meter.
Ay, sorry sir, sorry. Okay. Last stage.
Pero dito yun na dyan may isa. Diyan makita.
Ito. Last stage. Last 20 ammo. Let's go. Briefing.
Sir, good afternoon. Welcome to stage 8, consisting of 8 popper, 56 boards, single target with a minimum of 12 rounds, sir.
12 rounds.
Starting position, sir, as shown on the appendix E, handgun and PCC po.
Yes. Low ready.
Low ready. Standing on mark, sir. Standing position, sir. Standing on mark. Anywhere po. Anywhere naman siya, pero close pitch pa rin po tayo.
Facing down.
Facing down range, upon audible signal, engage target within the demarcated firing zone only, sir. Note, sir, the popper located on the left side activates the 2-stick swinger target, sir. Left side. Any question?
What about the other one?
Siya na po ang mag-activate, sir.
Ay,
Isa na lang po.
English yun.
Apa ya? Apa ya?
Full center, you
Yes,
know?
sabi po activate that too.
Ay, two.
Yeah,
Right
she
and
just said.
Kalima.
Okay, sir.
Na-misheard.
Review
Kayo
po,
naman.
sir. Ingat po.
Thank you.
Activate ko man.
Amay.
Yun, tangken.
Ito, tala-tala mo yun. Ting-ting. Tag. Ting-ting-ting. Alam pa yun, talo dyan. Ano? Pag. Maala.
Good, not really.
Oops.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Ayo.
Your finish, unload, show clear, hammer down, holster. Race is clear. Time 2148.
Oh. Ay sus.
Ito doon, guys.
Alpha, alpha.
Alpha, sir.
Sir, verify sir.
Alpha.
The white light sir.
One mic. Ano natanong ko, Charlie ra? Or
Answer,
Alpha.
Alpha, sir. Ayan kita na.
Alpha mic. Okay, there ya. One mic. Thank you, thank you. Ang down. We're down. Tapos na, tapos na.